Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, first of all, we will look at the price action of the top 10 coins and the rising popularity of PancakeSwap in particular. Then we will look at some key updates for projects like Uniswap and LITECOINs. And in the end, we will look at the coins that I will be bullish on in March due to updates, news, or events which can skyrocket their price. So the information presented in these videos is time sensitive. Therefore, if you would like to know about most recent news, events and updates, I will appreciate if you consider subscribing to this channel. YouTube does gatekeep blockchain and cryptocurrency content. So most likely the only way you can be notified about the upcoming videos on this channel is by subscribing, pushing the notification bell and selecting the option all so that you can get the notifications about the upcoming videos in time. So looking at the Bitcoin price, we are currently sitting at $49,000, around that. And we see that the Bitcoin price did go up to around 57,700 US dollars. And then we had this correction, but I think there is nothing to worry about because even in the previous bull run, we had a lot of corrections of 30%, 40%, and even 50% or a bit more. So I don't think that there is something to worry about right now, especially when the institutions are buying cryptocurrencies, even at these prices. The firms like Tesla, they are buying cryptocurrencies, and also at the same time, the ETPs or exchange traded products for coins like Polkadot are making their way to the market. So I don't think that there is anything to worry about, because surely if these institutions and big companies, if they are buying Bitcoins at these prices, I don't think they are going to sell anytime soon. And that simply shrinks the supply, and as a consequence of which the price is going to increase. And now let's have a look at the price of Cardano ADA. So we do see that the price of Cardano went all the way up to around 1.5 US dollars. But just before the Merry Hard Fork, the news were actually sold, and then we see a big dump over here, and the price came down to around 1 US dollar, and that is most of the times the case. So the news are always sold. But does that really mean that it is going to affect the long-term price action of Cardano? I don't think so. However, in the coming 1 month, in the month of March and maybe also in the month of April, it might actually tone down the momentum a little bit. And due to this, a lot of updates that are coming in the month of March and also April, they won't push the price, in my opinion, as high as they could have had this dump not happened. But that always happens. We have always seen it, and it is going to be like that for all the time to come, because buy the rumor, sell the news is a famous saying, and people are normally concerned with short-term gains. Also, in case of Uniswap, we can see that the price increased really fast after December last year, and we went all the way to 30 US dollars. And now we came down a little bit after this correction. But we have to remember that most of the users, they are not happy using Uniswap due to enormous gas fee, and that problem must be fixed. So we all know that if Uniswap fixes this problem of high gas fee, the price can go up much higher. Actually, now it is sitting at around 27 US dollars, and it can easily go up to 100 US dollars because many people are using it currently. And as far as the volume is concerned, billions of US dollars of cryptocurrencies are traded on this exchange. But for the normal retail investors, the problems of high gas fee must be solved. And this is where Polygon comes in. So as we can see on the coin market cap, the price of Polygon has been surging since the beginning of the year. And if we look over here in November, its price was 1.4 cents. And now we can see that it is sitting at 21 cents, which is over 10x increase in its price. And that is enormous considering the shorter time frame. So in short, Polygon is a layer 2 solution which will help reduce the Ethereum gas fee. And apart from Polygon, the Uniswap version 3 is also coming in the coming 4 to 8 weeks, I believe, which will also eliminate the problem of high gas fee. So the high gas fee in Ethereum networks is really a big problem which must be tackled as soon as possible. So once these layer 2 scalability solutions for Ethereum are rolled out, and as the version 3 of Uniswap comes to the market, I firmly believe that a lot of people who want to have the high risk and high reward play to either get wrecked or else get 100x gains will flock to Uniswap. Because for these flukes, they need Uniswap with low gas fee so that they can throw $1 or $10 into the ATM machine of the cryptocurrency markets in order to take out 100 or 1000 US dollars. So most of the solutions to suppress or eliminate the high gas fee problem of Ethereum are going to be the layer 2 solutions like Polygon or Matic, as I mentioned. And we already know how much popularity PancakeSwap is getting, which was built on the top of Binance Smart Chain platform. And the reason for its popularity is very simple. It eliminates the problem of high gas fee that exists on Ethereum, and irrespective of the fact that Binance Smart Chain is centralized, people just simply don't care about it. They just simply care about the value, and they are not religiously attached to the concepts of centralization. And that is something very important which the blockchain smart contracts platforms must remember. And as far as the XRP is concerned, it is pretty much out of the trenches of FUD and has now gotten up in price considerably. As we can see over here, it went from around 0.6 US dollars all the way down to 0.21 US dollars due to the FUD resulting from the lawsuit. But now we can see that the fear is pretty much diluted considerably and it is consolidating its place in the top 10 cryptocurrencies, and it will be interesting to see if it goes back to top 5 or top 3 and consolidates its place over there. So as news of lawsuits pop up, the market goes down a bit. One very interesting thing that I have observed is that when the news of lawsuits of Ripple pop up, the market goes down, especially when it comes to the price of the top 10 cryptocurrencies. Most of them become red. So it is a very strange and unconventional correlation amongst the XRP news and the market sentiment, especially when it comes to the top 10 cryptocurrencies. Also, I'm very bullish on Litecoin, and we are still way below the all-time high that was set in the previous bull run, which was around 350 US dollars, and currently we are sitting at 180 US dollars. So I believe that PayPal is going to launch its crypto merchant payments in March, and that is not just going to give positive perception to Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin, but also as more and more merchants accept cryptos as payments, we will see money flowing into crypto, and that might open even more floodgates and result in a huge influx of cash into cryptocurrency market. So we already saw Tesla buying cryptos, MicroStrategy also buying it, and also Kevin O'Leary buying Bitcoin recently. So basically now, due to this business decision and initiative of PayPal, apart from the retail investors, big companies and institutions, smaller firms and merchants will also start using cryptocurrencies for payments, and that will open many new floodgates for sure. And you must remember that a lot of merchants will accept crypto transactions just to get some PR or marketing. So a lot of interest coming from small firms and merchants can take the cryptocurrency prices to new heights. So wrapping up the video, I firmly believe that PayPal merchant payments and Uniswap version 3 are both very bullish developments that will help the crypto space in general in terms of further adoption, and for investors too, by stretching the bull run, due to which we can see multiple 100% gains in the price of cryptocurrencies. And I think that these gains will not only be seen in the top 10 cryptocurrencies, but also in the top 100 cryptocurrencies, and also we can see them in the low cap coins and the mid cap coins, which are below the top 100 on coin market cap. And now in the end, I will mention the coins on which I'm most bullish. So the first coin is Litecoin. Then we have Uniswap and 1inch. 1inch has a unique use case because it is geared towards institutional investors, and due to which I think that its price can go up astronomically in the coming 2 to 3 months. Then I'm also very bullish on Polygon, which is a layer 2 scalability solution for Ethereum, which is really solving a very critical problem of Ethereum in its current state. And as you know that Ethereum 2.0 development is going on very slowly, so the problem of scalability in Ethereum must be solved right now. Also, one very important update of Litecoin which I forgot to mention in this video is the privacy feature. and it will be the only cryptocurrency amongst the top 10 cryptocurrencies which will have the privacy feature. And due to that, I am really bullish on Litecoin. I hope that you liked the content in this video. Thank you very much for your time, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.